안녕하세요. Hi everyone. I'm your number one native Korean teacher, Hong. Today we are going to learn these 3 combined vowels. But if you don't know what morning A and evening A is, you have to check a video above. If you are ready, allow me start. When you combine vowels, there is a rule. How to pronounce this? It is O sound, O. And then this is A. And then especially it is morning A, okay? O, A, quickly, we. And then this one is U. This is also A. So U, A, quickly, we. So you will find that these 2 vowels sounds the same way, but different spelling. But when you write, you have to be careful. As you know, it is a morning vowel, and then this one is morning A, right? So here you can see morning and morning are combined, okay? So I mean O, A, we. In Hangeul, there's no this letter, okay? So because this is morning vowel and then this one is evening vowel, okay? Different kinds of vowels cannot be combined, okay? Only morning and morning, same kinds of vowels can be combined, okay? And then how about this? This is an evening vowel. And then what else? This is evening A. So you can see evening and evening are combined, okay? You have to be careful not to write U, E, we. No. This is evening vowel and this is morning vowel. Evening and morning cannot be combined. It should be evening and evening. I will call it morning way. And then this is evening way. Okay? And then here we have one more. So this is U. And this is E. U, E. Do you remember cucumber in Korea? Cucumber is O, E. All of these 3 vowels sounds the same. This is also we. But to differentiate from other vowels, I will call it O, E, cucumber, we. To sum up, there are 3 way in Korean. The first one is morning way. Another is evening way. And the other is cucumber way. One more. Because this is an evening vowel, so the sun should be below the land. It is not allowed to write like this. No, 안 돼요. Because the sun is above the land. Okay, should be below the land. Before you proceed, stop this video for a second and then try to read these vocabularies by yourself. If you finish reading aloud, let's practice with me. So pig in Korean, 돼지. Can you try to read this one? 돼지. How about this? 돼지. All of them sounds the same, but to indicate the pig in Korean, Koreans use morning way. If you write evening way, it's a wrong spelling, okay? So you have to memorize. And then sweater in Korean, sweater. So can you try this? Sweater, same. And then how about this? Sweater. All of them sounds the same, but to indicate the sweater in Korean, we use this evening way. Okay? sweater, evening way. And then Y in Korean, 왜, 왜. So waiter in Korean, 웨이터, waiter, waiter. The best in Korean, 최고. To indicate the best, we use cucumber 왜. 최고, 최고. And then company, company in Korean, 회사, 회사, 회사. And then outer coat, 외투, 외투. And then beef, beef. The cucumber 왜, 쇠고기, 쇠고기. Okay, so today we learned 3 combined vowels, which are 왜. There are 3 왜 in Korean, which are morning 왜, evening 왜, and cucumber 왜. Thank you for watching my video. 다음에 또 만나요.